Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick and powerful guide, I'll show you exactly how to add upcoming events to your WordPress website in just a few minutes, using a simple timeline component that looks professional, interactive, and super easy to update. Whether you're managing a business site, school page, or community blog, displaying upcoming events clearly can make a huge difference. So stay tuned, because by the end of this video, your site will have a clean, eye-catching event timeline that keeps your visitors in the loop. First, open your browser and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Click on Login at the top right corner. For the fastest and most secure login, choose Continue with Google, then simply select your Google account and you'll be logged in instantly. This method not only saves time but also keeps your site protected with Google's built-in authentication. Once you're in the WordPress dashboard, look for the Edit site. It's usually on the home page. From there, click on Edit Site. This will take you to the site editor where all the magic happens. Here, you can fully customize your pages, add new sections, and tweak the design to fit your brand perfectly. Now it's time to add your event timeline. At the top left corner of the editor, click the plus icon to open the block library. In the search bar, type Timeline. You'll see several options. Pick the timeline component that best fits your design style. Click on it and it'll instantly appear on your page. This timeline will serve as your upcoming event section, displayed in a clean chronological layout. Now, let's fill in your event details. Click on a timeline item to edit it. Add your event title, date, and a short description like the location, time, or purpose of the event. You can even add icons or images to make it more visually engaging. Once you're done, your new event will automatically appear on the timeline, ready for visitors to explore. It's that simple, no coding, no plugins, just drag, drop, and customize. And that's it. Your upcoming event section is now live and beautifully displayed on your WordPress website. With this feature, your visitors can easily keep track of what's coming next, whether it's webinars, launches, or local meetups. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick WordPress guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll take your website to the next level.